2, 3, 4.
Hey Jim, how you doing? Do you need someone else?
Well, actually, Jemima, I prefer to be by myself.
Sometimes it helps to have someone else along.
But if my girlfriend sees us, she'll come to the conclusion it's wrong. Does this mean we're on shaky ground? I'm happy when you're around. So let's not put our friendship at risk. I love you in a different way. Paradise and catastrophe, they go side by side.
You should tell you, baby, if we got nothing to hide.
When I wanna see you, I'll take Jersey for a walk.